Now I'm here in the center of this 3 chain, round 6. Into each 3 chain space we have to make 5 single crochet, and top of each 2 single crochet we make a picot. Okay, I'm here in the center of this 3 chains, so I make 3 single crochet, and when I want to finish I make 2 single crochet more here. Chain 1 just for a start, 3 single crochet here, 1, 2 and 3. Now top of this 2 single crochet, make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, a picot, a slip stitch into first chain, and this is picot like this. Now 5 single crochet into next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip this bubble stitch into next 3 chain, make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Top of each 2 single crochet, make a picot, 1, 2, 3, slip a stitch into first chain here, and this is a picot. Okay, repeat this pattern, 5 single crochet here, 5 single crochet into next 3 chain space, and make a picot top of this 2 single crochet. I just repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip this bubble stitch around into next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a picot here. Continue this round, and I come back here to close this round. Now for close round 6, make the last 2 single crochet here, 1 and 2, then a slip stitch, top of very first single crochet here, okay, and this round finish. In this round 8 picot and 80 single crochet. Round 7, chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet in the same place. Now 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then skip this picot, and here in the center of this 5 single crochet make a single crochet. There is 5 single crochet, so in the center 1, 2, 3 here, a single crochet. Again 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, another single crochet in the center of next 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 here, and repeat this pattern. 5 chain, skip this picot into next 5 single crochet, make a single crochet in the center, 1 2 3 here, 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 and 5, again a single crochet in the center of next 5 single crochet, 1 2 3 here, and I come back here. Now here for close round 7, except of last 5 chain here, 2 chain, 1 2 and a double crochet top of first single crochet here. Now I'm here in the center of 5 chain for round 8. Okay, round 8, chain 1 just for a start, 4 single crochet here, 1 2 3 and 4. Now a picot, 3 chain, 1 2 3, a slip stitch into first chain here, and this is a picot, 7 single crochet into next 5 chain space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, again another picot here, 1 2 3 and a picot. Continue this round, 7 single crochet, a picot top of this single crochet, and repeat this pattern. Okay, I just repeat, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then a picot here, 1 2 3 and a picot. So after each of these 7 single crochet we have to make a picot, again 7 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, now a picot. Continue this round, and I come back here to close this round. Now for close round 8, after the last picot, make 3 single crochet here, 1 2 and 3, then a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here, and this round finish. Now I'm here in the center of 7 single crochet, round 9, chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet into same place, seven chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Skip this picot into next 7 single crochet in the center of this, make a single crochet. So 1 2 3 4 here, a single crochet, again 7 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then a single crochet in the center of next 7 single crochet here, 1 2 3 4, here a single crochet. Repeat this pattern, 7 chain, then a single crochet in the center of 7 single crochet, and I come back here to show you how to close this round. Now for close round 9, 2 chain, 1 2, then a triple crochet top of first single crochet, yarn over twice, and a triple crochet here top of first single crochet, and I'm here in the center of this 7 chain. Round 10, a chain just for a start, 5 single crochet here, 1 2 3 4 and 5, a picot here, 1 2 3, a picot. Into next 7 chain space, make 9 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, then here top of this single crochet, a picot, 1 2 3, a picot. Again 9 single crochet into next 7 chain space, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, then a picot, 1 2 3, a picot here. Repeat this pattern, and I come back here to close this round.